Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tengku Nafrusia Afia binti Tengku Ibrahim, and this is our group member Nur Siti Khadijah binti Muhammad Rizal, Tengku Umairah Khadijah binti Tengku Rita Udin, and Nurin Batrisha binti Ahmad Rosman.
Thanks-A-Latte Cafe will be a premium cyber cafe that provides a welcoming environment, a range of software programs, fast internet connectivity, services for printing and scanning, and snacks or dessert, also drinks. A wide range of customers, including professionals, students, and casual users, will be served by our cafe.
Okay, next location, Thanks-A-Latte Cafe will be strategically located in the heart of Melaka, a bustling commercial district with a high foot traffic of potential customers. The shop lot measure is 15 times 25. Next is target market. We have 3 target markets, which is students, citizens, and gamers. For students, they will have a cheap, convenient place to use the internet for do their homework, study, and online conversation. For citizens, cafes are popular meeting spots for creative people because they provide a stimulating environment for brainstorming, writing, and collaboration. They enjoy the relaxed atmosphere, variety of patrons, and easy availability to caffeine for creative inspirations. Those who are primarily utilizing the internet for social media, online gaming, and pleasure will be able to buy Thanks-A-Latte. Last is gamers. Thanks-A-Latte Cafe will offer top-notch PCs and competitive gaming for players of all skill levels.
So I will talk about the list of the hardware and the software. First, for the hardware, is the most important piece to have in the cyber cafe, which is computer. This computer should be powerful enough to handle demands of internet usage every day. Second is a network switch. This is a device that connects computer and other devices on a network. Third is router. This device will connect different networks together. Fourth is modem. A modem is a device that converts data from one form to another. Our cyber cafe will need a modem to connect its router to the internet. Lastly, for the hardware is printer. Printers are essential for printing documents and other files. Next, for the software, first is operating system. The operating system is the software that will run on the computer. Among examples for operating system is Windows and Linux. Second, Internet Cafe Management Software. This software is used to manage computer and other devices in a cyber cafe. It can be used to track usage, set the limits, and charge customer. Third is antivirus software. This is essential for protecting the computer from virus and other malicious software. Lastly is productivity software, such as Word, spreadsheet that can be useful for customers who need to use for work or school.
So let me share to you the price for each requirements and total for our cyber cafe. So the first one is computer. We have 7 computers in our cyber cafe. Each computer costs 2,200 ringgit. So the total of the computer price is 15,400 ringgit. So the second one is switches. We have 2 switches in our cyber cafe. Each switches costs 600 ringgit. And the total for the switches price is 1,200 ringgit. We have 1 router in our cyber cafe and it costs us 70 ringgit. We also have 1 modems in our cyber cafe and the cost is 176 ringgit.
Finally, we only have 1 printer in our cyber cafe, and the cost is 1,900 ringgit. So the total hardware cost is 18,746 ringgit. So this is our network diagram. As you can see here, the server will be on the top and the modem and also the router will be at the middle. The 7 PC will connect with the router. So the other switch will connect with the printer. It's our networking device. As you can see here, we have switch, router, customer PC and also server PC. The network topology that we have been used in our cyber cafe is star topology. So the reason why we use star topology instead of the other topology for our cyber cafe is because it's easier to manage and also easy to troubleshoot.
Next is our IP addressing for Thanks-A-Latte Cafe. So, this is IP address, subnet mask, broadcast address. The total of quantity of subnet is 30 hosts. So, this is our subnetting calculation from subnet 0 to subnet 7.
Move to another part, which is type of internet usage. We choose to use Unified Fiber. For type of usage, Unified Fiber was chosen since Thanks-A-Latte Cafe is intended to be a high-end cyber cafe that require fast, low-latency internet for gaming, streaming, and general customer use. Unified Fiber may offer minimal lag. For coverage, most of the Melaka city and its largest server, including Aikro, Batu Berendam and Bukit Beruang, have widespread access to Unified Fiber. The good news is that we can enjoy lightning fast internet because our area has coverage. For the bandwidth, the Unified Fiber has a high bandwidth and unlimited data that can ensure smooth operation and cater to all customer needs. And the last one is the cost. Unified Fiber provide the highest speed and its normal might use more cost, but they can save our time and frustration. And of course, it's worth it. So basically, for monthly subscription, we need to pay 115 ringgit for 500 Mbps.
Okay, now I will explain about description of the network diagram that used in the project. Okay, this is the network diagram that we have. First, I will explain devices that we use. First is devices. We use computer represented by rectangles labeled PC1, PC2 and more. There are 7 PCs in total distributed across the cafe. Second is router. This equipment, which is labeled router, links the internet to the cafe's internet network. Third is printer. 1 printer is available. Next is switch. This gadget, which has labeled switch, serve as the network's principal hub for all wired connections. And last is modem, to allow the sharing of data between computers. And second is connections. We use wired connections. They are represented by blue wires and they use Ethernet connections to link the POS, which is points of sale, system, printers, PCs to the switch. Here are some screenshots that we take. For explanations about the screenshot that we take is, first, choose a template from Visio. Numerous applications for network diagrams. Provide templates for typical network types. Second, add shapes to show network equipment such as computers, router, printers, and switch. Drag and drop the shape from the software libraries into the canvas. Next is label and arrange components. To add text labels for devices name, double-click shapes. Arrange forms to show their logical links or physical layout visually. And for a neat and well-organized diagram, use alignment and spacing tools. For customize, modify forms, colors, and line style to improve clarity and aesthetic appeal. To include notes, remarks, or more information, add text boxes. If necessary, include a legend to describe symbols. And last, to save and export. Save the diagram and export it as a common image, such as PNG or JPEG.